Hey guys, we're out here today once again at the little 25-yard range. Brought the little GLOCK 19X today, and we're gonna run a few drills. The first drill we're gonna run is gonna be a drill out to about 25 yards or so, and we're gonna be testing what it would be like if we were to get into like an active shooter and we have a little bit more distance we have to cover. So we're gonna take slow, controlled shots. We have about 15 rounds in the mag, which is all we're gonna shoot today. So it's gonna be more so realistic training. So long distance, active shooter kind of type. We're taking slow shots out first, and then we'll move on to a little bit quicker build drills, so to say. So that wasn't really good, but we're gonna move on to about 7 yards. We're just gonna practice 3 quick shots as fast as possible onto the actual target. So we'll see how this goes. Here's your 7. Well, that's all we had in the mag today, and we'll probably come back a little bit later when it's not so cold. But we've really actually figured out a lot of weaknesses today, which is good, and we'll keep training on those just to get better training in down the line. So thanks for watching, and hope to see you guys back soon. So